so we're just making up a new drive shaft to go between the winter's diff and the new Jericho box. So we've got some 3.5 inch drive shaft tube. Cut that down to our length, and we're just putting in our universal ends, which look like this. So we just press these into each end, and we'll line them up the same, weld it in, and send it off to be balanced. Rough enough for 500 horses? Yeah, mate. Alright, so we're going to let that cool down overnight, and tomorrow morning we're going to go drop it off at the balancing place in Hamilton. And I'm also dropping off the bell housing to get 3D scanned so we can start manufacturing them as well. So there'll be an RB to Jericho bell housing.